Today we're going to talk about digital learning using Schoology and Notability. By the end of today, we want you to be able to send an assignment from Schoology and Notability. We want you to be able to use the tools in Notability to complete assignments and to send a Notability file to Schoology to turn in as an assignment. Now, these are big ideas and this might be challenging, so just a reminder that you can always access me, S. Whiteman, at cpsk12.org. If you have any questions at all, I'm happy to help you figure out how to do these things. Before you start today, make sure you have downloaded Notability from self-service. Okay, so first of all, what is Notability? Notability is a note-taking app that you can write, type, or draw to insert pictures on a blank note or worksheet that a teacher sends you. So this is what you're going to use to fill out your work and turn it in to Schoology. Okay, so you're going to want to go into self-service. You're going to then type in Notability. Once Notability comes up, you're going to click the Install button and install the app. Okay, the next thing that you want to do is you want to set up a Google Drive as a backup from settings. And so you're going to go to Auto Backup. You are going to go to Google Drive and you're going to sign into your Google Drive account. And then you're going to choose a folder for backup. You're going to change the file format to PDF and recording. Okay, to start a new note, you're going to find the paper or pencil icon that's on the very far upper right-hand side of your screen. This icon is not pictured on this screen right here, but you will see it on your screen. So once you get to a screen that looks like this, you can change the name of the note by clicking on the note title. Super easy. The icons at the top, the pencil, the text, highlighter, eraser, cut, laser pointer, are all things that you can do to arrange your note and add text to your note, those kinds of things. If you push at the right hand spot, the add button will allow you to add pictures from your camera roll. You can take a pic, you can do those kinds of things that way. If you get down to the bottom, you can insert a web clip by holding your finger down on the web clip link. And the microphone will allow you to record audio aligned with your on-screen actions. Like a lot of apps, Notability is one that the more you play with it, the more you learn about how it's used. So think about, can you title a note? Can you type words in your note? Can you use a highlighter? Can you insert a picture? Those kinds of things. So just practice with the app a little bit so that you can kind of get familiar with it. That way when your teachers are asking you to use it, you already have the basics of what to do. So the left-hand side of this app is going to allow you to start organizing your notes into folders. You want to click on this add button right here, and then you can start naming your folders and organizing your notes into each one of those folders. One of the things that you're going to need to do is take a file from Schoology and export it to Notability. So you want to make sure that you are signed into Schoology. If you have problems doing this, the screen right here can show you information on how to do it, but also you can go back to the other video on how to sign into Schoology. Once you're in Schoology, you are going to figure out the file that you want to upload into Notability. So you are going to click on that file. Once the file is open, you will go to the upper right-hand corner with a box and an arrow looks right here. Click on that, and then you're going to get some choices where to put that file. You will choose Notability. Next, you will choose Create a New Note. You will then give the note a title. Then you hit Done. The next thing you want to do is go into Notability and make sure that your note is now in Notability. Okay, once you have filled out your note in Notability, you're going to want to submit that assignment to Schoology. Once you've filled out your worksheet in Notability and you want to share it with your teacher in Schoology, you will take that note and you will push this Share button right here. And then you will push on Other Apps and then Share Note. Okay. At that point, you're going to get some options of places where you can share it. Schoology, if it doesn't show up in one of these options, click More, and Schoology should show up there. In Schoology, you want to submit assignment and then upload the submission. Once you've done kind of exploring Schoology and Notability a little bit, you can look at the different kinds of paper. You can explore notes with dots, notes with lines, those kinds of things to see what kinds of possibilities are available in Notability.